Thinking of selling your car someday? Want to get the best price possible when you do? Today, I'll show you how to maintain your car's resale value so you don't lose money unnecessarily when it's time to upgrade. Welcome back to D+ Autos, where we make car ownership easier and smarter. Many people think resale value is only important when you're ready to sell. But the truth is, maintaining your car's value starts from day one of ownership. The better you care for your car, the higher its value will remain, and the easier it will be to sell or trade in for your next car. And with the rising cost of cars today, you want to recover as much as possible from your investment. The first step in maintaining resale value is regular maintenance. Change your oil on schedule. Replace filters, fluids, and brake pads as recommended. Keep your tires rotated and properly inflated. A well-maintained car runs better, shows fewer issues during inspection, and makes buyers confident in your car. 2. Appearance matters. Wash your car regularly and wax it to protect the paint. Clean the interior, vacuum carpets, and wipe down surfaces to prevent stains and odors. Buyers judge cars by how they look. A clean car looks newer, which directly boosts your resale value. 3. Always keep your service receipts and logbook updated. When it's time to sell, you can show the buyer your maintenance history, proving you took care of the vehicle. A well-documented service history can increase the resale value by 5 to 10% because buyers trust it more. 4. We all love customizing our cars, but certain modifications like loud exhausts, extreme lowering, or non-standard paint jobs can reduce your resale value. If you plan to modify your car, keep the original parts or avoid modifications that might limit your future buyers. 5. Fix minor repairs. Early, small issues like a cracked tail light, minor dents, or a faulty sensor might seem ignorable, but they add up during resale. Fix small issues early so they don't become big problems later, and so your car looks well cared for when it's time to sell. 6. Choose the right time to sell. Selling your car at the right time can also help you get a better price. Avoid selling when your car is due for major maintenance like timing belt replacement or when a newer model has just been released. Research your local market and see when prices are high for your car model. To recap, if you want to maintain your car's resale value, keep up with regular maintenance, keep your car clean inside and out, keep service records, avoid unnecessary modifications, fix minor repairs early, choose the right time to sell, follow these steps, and you will maximize your car's resale value easily. Which of these steps are you already following? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more practical car ownership and diagnostic tips.